Itong Davao model ng payment and reward system ay nakakatakot at talaga namang inaabuso. Kung tutuusin, ang reward system ay maghihikayat sa mga pulis na pumatay upang makuha ang reward nila na pera. Tulad po na nabanggit ni Congressman JJ na ito yung love of money. Ibig sabihin, Mr. Chair, walang pinagkaiba ang reward system na ito doon sa mga drug pusher na kumukuha rin ng pera dahil sa droga. Ito naman, kumukuha ng pera dahil nakakapatay. Walang pinagkaiba, mga kaibigan. Kung gusto mo ng pera, patayin mo ang suspect.
Thank you. And finally, the chair of the Committee on Human Rights, Congressman Abante, you are recognized. You have 2 hours.
Sa wakas, kanina pa ako naghihintay, puro interjections itong ginagawa sa akin dito. Anyway, Colonel Garma, alam ko, pagod ka na, no? All of us are, di ba? Kaya na ba tayong 10 o'clock in the morning, no? Pero siguro, ako palagi nagra-wrap up eh. You know, thing is this, kanina, when Congressman Chua asked you why you were crying, you said you had time for a week to reflect on these things. And because of that, you decided to change and make a formal statement, di ba? Then you said that you made mention of what the Lord Jesus said in the Bible, that the truth shall set you free. Di ba?
Yes.
The truth shall set you free. Of course, when the Lord Jesus Christ mentioned that, he was referring to his word, perfect word, holy word. While your word is not holy, but it is truthful as I can see. Mukhang nakalimutan natin kasi kanina sa affidavit mo, you mentioned that you were invited to serve as a resource person in the Quadcom regarding the investigation into the war on drugs of the previous administration. And you mentioned about the deaths of 3 Chinese inmates at the Davao Penal Colony. So will you now please tell us the truth about that? Because your name was mentioned. Now, you said the truth shall set you free. So please, tell us now the truth about those Chinese drug lords that were killed by 2 PDL, and those PDL were given 1 million pesos by a certain Art Narsoles, of which you are romantically linked. Now, please tell us the truth right now about that.
Mr. Chair, during that time po, nag-iisip sila na kung ano po yung, alam niyo sa PNP, uso yung pasalubong. Everyone, they know that, Mr. Chair, kung may darating na bagong opisyal, kailangan may impact project, like pa-impress. Isa po yan, yung 3 Chinese, Mr. Chair, na it's well, I think hindi ko narinig ang planning, but I think yan po ang naging-resulta ng pag-uusap po ni Padilla when he reported to Sir Leonardo sa CIDG, because I heard him giving names, list kay Sir Leonardo, saying na involved lahat ito sa drugs. So I think dun siguro, ito po, pananaw ko lang po ha, dun siguro nag-start yung pag-conceptualize doon. And with regards to the reward, yeah, narinig ko rin po yun na may reward. Yung trabaho na yon. In fact, Nakwento ni Sir Leonardo nga na nag-congratulate si Presidente.
Oh, ang sabi niyo?
Nag-congratulate si Presidente
Narinig niyo
Padilla.
yun?
Yeah, kinuwento niya sa akin.
Nakwento ni
Nagkwento.
ni
Yes,
Colonel
sir.
Padilla.
Nagkwento si Sir Leonardo sa amin. Marami nakarinig niyan, sir.
Okay.
So, doon ko nalaman
inaamin mo that
most
you
likely
knew
nga.
all about it and you were involved? Is that what you're saying?
Hindi po ako involved, but I heard na lang po na ganun yung nangyari at may pa-thank you na nangyari na nakausap si Padilla according to Sir Leonardo na ginawa daw ni Presidente, which is yun naman din nasabi ni Padilla, kaya baka ho, totoo. Wala po ako doon nung nangyari yun, but kinuwento kasi.
At least you mentioned some truths to it, no? Of course, you knowing Art Narsolis,
Yes po.
who was very much involved, even in the giving of the reward. Narinig niyo yun, di ba?
Yes, sir. Kilala ko siya, sir. Actually, during that time po, wala na po kaming relationship.
Wala na.
That
Oo.
time po na nangyari yung sa Chinese po, wala po kami.
Do you know where he is now?
Hindi ko po alam, Mr. Chair.
Kasi iniimbita namin siya. Walang nangyayari. Anyway, I'm so glad that you said something about that. Now, how about the death of General Wesley Barayuga? Tell us the truth about
Yes, sir.
that.
I don't know, sir, kung you can come up with a theory on this. But as,
No, I'm not referring to any
I'm
theory. I do not want a
explaining-
theory. I want the truth.
Yeah, I am explaining kasi up to now, puzzle din po sa akin. After I heard the testimony of General Pinili that he talked with Yusek Kitain and Senator Bongo, dun ko pinagpitagpi yung sarili kong analysis on dun po sa information. Because po March, when the President announced that I will assume as General Manager of PCSO, si Dongail po, na classmate ko, ay nag-text sa akin. Clarence Dongail, who is nasa Bilibid po, Mr. Chair. Nag-text siya sa akin na, "Oh, Bok, magpi-PCSO ka na pala." Sabi niya. Ay, hindi, text po, tawag po yun. Magpi-PCSO ka na pala, gumanon.
Sino sabi sa'yo?
Clarence Dongail po. Clarence Dongail. That time po maraming tumatawag na classmate ko sa akin. I do not know kung saan nila kinukuha ang phone number ko. I think everybody knows my phone number during that time. He called me. Sabi niya, magpi-PCSO ka na. Alam mo ba na ang board secretary niyo dyan ay involved sa drugs? Sabi ko, oh? Sabi ko, oo, tinago lang ng mga class 83 yan dyan. That's his term to me. Tapos sabi ko, hindi ko alam yan. Sabi ko, oo, kasi yung mga, nagkwento na siya, marami na siyang kwento. So, ang ginawa ko lang, sir, I relayed it kina sir.
And he mentioned the name of General Barayuga.
Opo, sabi niya, Barayuga, kasi napang-abot daw niya po. Nagpang-abot niya po nagpang-abot po sila daw sa kung saan yung na-assign pa si General Barayuga at saan siya na-assign din noon nung junior officer pa siya before siya nakulong. So what I did only, sir, since I don't have the resources to validate or whatever, I just nirelay ko lang po ang info for validation.
It's common knowledge, Colonel Garma, that you and General Barayuga has some altercations, di ba?
No, Mr. Chair.
That there's some things that you do not agree on.
No, Mr. Chair.
Okay?
Okay
yun?
po.
Ano yun? Ano yung
Okay po
totoo?
yung friendship namin ni Sir Barayuga. We don't argue, we didn't argue, Mr. Chair.
So you do not argue with him as far as the operations of the STL is concerned?
Wala po kasi siyang hand doon, board secretary po siya. He just handles yung mga board resolution, take notes of the